Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today I'll be making some chicken and waffles. So I'm using chicken wings, I'm just seasoning them, then I'm gonna mix them up and add an egg into it. Once I was done mixing everything up, I'm just going to be getting a bowl, adding some flour, and then putting each piece of chicken inside the flour. Now it's time to put the oil in the pot and start frying the chicken. Once I was done frying the chicken, I went ahead and started the waffles. If you're enjoying the video, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, now I'm going to open a waffle maker. Now that it's done, I'm just going to show you my plate.